Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Range Rover 3.0 D350 Autobiography. Now, this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Santorini Black. To start off with, then you have digital LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those low light conditions. Along with 23-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels with a gloss black finish, really complementing against the Santorini Black exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find you've got an electric boot lid, and once open you can see that you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase. This vehicle also features an electronically deployable tow bar, allowing you to tow things such as a trailer or perhaps even a caravan. Taking a look at the rear seats, you are able to see the semi-aniline perforated ebony leather upholstery, really adding a feel of luxury to the vehicle. Moving to the front, you can find your multifunctional steering wheel, and once again you can find that lovely upholstery, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort on any journey. This vehicle also features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. The driver's seat in this vehicle is electronically adjustable, as well as being a memory seat, so once you find a comfortable position you are able to save it. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control. This car also has a head-up display, which is a brilliant safety feature as it allows you to see the speed you are travelling at without taking your eyes off the road. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. You also have your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so that you can always find something to listen to no matter what, along with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring that you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. You also have your Apple CarPlay as well as Android Auto, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music, along with your 4x4 information, terrain response mode, your ride height, and of course your wade sensing, making this vehicle suited for most terrain and any off-road adventures you may find yourself on, knowing that you'll be safe and secure at all times. You also have your tow bar, where you can easily deploy or stow away the tow bar from the comfort of inside the car. And as well as this, the front seats in this vehicle are massage seats, which is ideal for those longer journeys, ensuring that you stay comfortable throughout. As well as this, the front seats are both heated and ventilated, ideal for the hot summer days as well as the colder winter ones. And you also have a dual zone climate control, where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, ensuring that you always stay at a comfortable temperature on any journey that you may take, along with a 360 view camera, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. You also have a clear sight interior rear view mirror, which allows you to see things which could have once been in your blind spot. This has been a presentation on a Range Rover 3.0 D350 Autobiography that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.